You got the hiccups, buddy? What'd you say? How'd you get the hiccups? You don't know? Tell her, buddy. Say, I was eating stuff I shouldn't have been. Right? Not you, Zeus. No more hiccups? You good? All right, good boy.